Welcome to the Support Center. My name is Tom. We're going to look at the membership card. Now, the membership card is a simple tool that your families can use to print a membership or an ID card. And there's some basic things you can do as an admin to customize this card and make it work right for your families. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now, I like to have a tab open to my admin site and one open to my family site so I can make changes and see it as I work on this. So if I come down here, the first thing to do is to make sure that the membership card is actually available to the members. So if I go to Appearance and then Navigation, I'll see that it's not on my menu. It's over here orphaned, and it's actually called Membership Card. Now for my testing purposes, I'm going to drag and drop it right on the directory so it's a nested link. Make it secure and save my navigation. If I come back here to my family site and refresh, there I can see the membership card. And now to click on either one of these, I can create a family level membership card, or there'll be links for each one of my children. I only have one child listed on my profile. So let's print one for the family. Just click on this link. And there it is. There's what the family level membership card looks like. Okay, date issued is automatically generated. The name is automatically generated. So let's go ahead and look at how you can adjust some of these things as an administrator. So if I come back here to my admin site, to find the membership card features and tools, where to set these would be under Users, Families, and then Membership Card. Here's what it looks like. Here's where my logo is. Here's some of the basic design that I've set up here. Now the thing to remember with this card, it's a little bit sensitive, so you just want to make sure that you don't break anything on this page. It's not the worst case scenario. I can help you, a support center can help you get these things back. But I typically like to do before I make changes to this, I like to back it up. So I'll come over here to Source and I'll copy all this and I'll paste it out into a text document or a Word document just so I have it, just in case I break something, I can always get it back. But if I come back here, click on Source again, I can change things like my group name. I can change all this stuff. The things you don't want to change are the things with a double asterisk around them. That's where some of these things are pasted out to your pages. Family name, logo, date, expiration date. So maybe my expiration date of this card, maybe this is for next year. I'm going to change it to 22. Okay. I can change some things on this page, but again, you just want to be a little cautious when you change them because you may break the formatting. And like I said before I begin, I like to click Source so I can copy out the HTML code to a different place, make my changes, and make sure it works. So when I'm done making my changes, click on Save, and that's really all there is to it. Families then would come back to their membership card page, and they can click on that. It'll regenerate the card, and you can see the date changed, the name of the group changed for me, and then they can print these out. So there you have it. There's the membership card. The first thing to make sure it's on your navigation. That's done through Appearance and then Navigation. And then you can modify the card by going to Users, Families, and Membership Card. If you need further assistance with this or any other features on your site, come back to your admin homepage and click on the Create a Ticket button.